Hello viewers, how are you? Today I'm online just to inform those students who are interested in immigration to Australia and the profession is accounting and finance. CPA is a assessing authority. If you have done a BS in accounting and finance from any institute of Pakistan, we are quite lucky that in interior Sindh we have IBA, Sakhar and Zabas Larkana, they have offered a BS accounting and finance from couple of years. So in accounting and finance is on demand. Now these are the six categories you can apply: accounting general, corporate treasurer, external auditor, finance manager, management accountant, and taxation accountant. Now, CPA will assess your qualification as well as your whatever the subject you have done during the BS program in accounting and finance. They assess and then they will tell you what the further requirement they have, like English proficiency and degree comparability, because many of the schools in Australia is also they are also giving you a bird eye view about the what courses they have done, and then what the knowledge you have. If you are applying for the accounting in general, you must have a knowledge about accounting system and processes, business law, economics, financial accounting and reporting, financial and financial management, managerial management accounting and quantitative methods. But if you are applying for the taxation accountant, you must have a knowledge about accounting system and processes, Australian taxation law, business law, economics, financial accounting and reporting, finance and financial management, management accounting, and quantitative methods. So, and if you are applying for external auditor, you must have a knowledge about accounting system and processes, audit and insurance, business law, economics, financial accounting and reporting, finance and financial management, and management accounting. The English proficiency, you must have a 7.0 IELTS score in a general band. And once you have complete your degree and you have experience about 3-4 years in Abu Dhabi, in Dubai, or in Middle East, or in Saudi Arabia, that is more advantage for you, that you will get a immigration in through the profession of skill immigration of Australia. Now, what experience you require? The experience you require as an auditor, as accountant, and working in a different firms, and that firm is recognized throughout the world. In Pakistan, if you have a BS accounting and finance and if you have a 4-year experience in any multinational as well as a national company, and you must have to apply for the immigration directly and you will get a. Now, what experience how many years you have? You have a minimum 3 years experience in accounting and finance. So if you have a minimum 3 years experience, then your visa subclass is 485 visa you will require for this accounting and finance profession. Now, question arises: if you have a MBA accounting and finance or BS in accounting and finance from any institute and you have a 2 or 3 years experience, you have to assess your qualification to CPA. Once you receive any response from the CPA online, you can apply, and online immigration website is there. You can apply and you can assess yourself to where you are standing, how many points you are getting. Many students, they are not trying. Just, they have a full experience about accounting and finance. They have worked many years in the abroad, like in Saudi Arabia, Middle East, but they are not applying. So you assess your qualification through CPA first, and then if you are qualified, then go for IELTS. Get the proficiency in English, and then you can apply for the immigration Australia. That's my message for all of you. If you have any questions, please subscribe my website YouTube, and then I will give you guideline time to time without consulting any fees, and you welcome. My next topic, my next immigration is for the IT professional. Thank you.